Hey everybody, welcome to the Global Search Group 17.5 planning kickoff call. Let's go through some of the features first. So we've got semantic code search for code suggestions in AI context. We've been doing some evaluation on code search results for the code suggestions in the AI context work that we're doing on the task force. So basically what that means is checking out what models for code embeddings are working well for search results, doing some human evaluation on the search results. So having developers actually look at the search results that we're getting back based on the various models and deciding which ones are providing better results, which models embeddings have led to better results. We're also working on finalizing the blueprint of the context and embeddings abstraction layer. Shekhar from the AI team has been helping us as kind of our liaison to the AI team to work on that. So we will collaborate with him continually and with other feature teams as well to understand what the requirements and kind of technical requirements are going to look like for the blueprint. And then once we finalize that, we'll start, reaching out more directly or more, functionally to feature teams in terms of helping them develop the features they need and doing the actual engineering work on the back end to support that. We also are working on a merge request search as you type functionality for GitLab Duo. We'll be able to use that in other places in the app as well, but high level, what it will allow us to do is make it simple to search through any merge request that is on GitLab and reply filters, et cetera, as you type. So you can search, just the merge request in the GitLab project, for example, if you're in there. But this will make it easier to add merge requests to Duo for context, as opposed to having to know the URL of the merge request and paste it in as it is today. So that's going to be pretty exciting. On the code search side of things, we continue to work on Zook scaling stuff. In this case, we've got some state lifecycle management work we're doing. The tasks are now in pull mode, which we've talked about on this call a few times in the past. We're continuing to roll out Zook to larger namespaces as we make these improvements and scaling enhancements. And then, as mentioned here, we're going to work on indexing namespaces into multiple nodes to support the larger namespaces. On the advanced search side, we've got the advanced search framework refactor that continues, including the generic Elasticsearch delete worker that we're working on. Work item support in advanced search, which is super exciting. We've been helping the plan team, Siddharth specifically on our team, and Terry have been putting a lot of work into supporting the new work items functionality. So that means, not just epics and issues anymore in search, but also, tasks and tests and things like that. So pretty excited about being able to eventually show all that up in the UI in search, but for now the searching will work on the back end. So the plan team will be able to leverage that via advanced search. And then on the front end development side of things, we're running an experiment to move the search bar back into the top nav. We've got some collaboration with design, and Austin Regenery is looking at that for us as well. So pretty excited about that to see if we can help some of the search usage drop that we've seen over the last year with the navigation change. And then we also have Zooked multiple matches UI. We had some performance issues and a couple UI snags as we rolled that out just to the search team as a start. So we're going to work to finish that off and make that more production ready so we can roll it out to everybody else. On the maintenance side of things, I'll cover for CZ. We're going to try and help alleviate some of the main database pressure we've been seeing. So using replica database for Elastic migrations and seeing if our indexing workers can use the replica database as well. And then we've got a slow spec we're looking into as this is ongoing. We're cleaning up deprecated Elasticsearch migrations, and then we'll collaborate with the test platform team on adding a pipeline to test OpenSearch. So that's mostly it. We've got one bug on HTML injection and global search that we'll take a look at as well. And then just kind of as an FYI, over the next quarter or so, we have the documentation issue, improving our documentation pages for GitLab Duo. So that's it for the global search group for this milestone for 17.5. Hope you all have a great milestone yourselves, and talk to you later.